Hello everyone. In this video, we will be covering a topic which will help you to score 4 marks directly in your board exam. So please do not skip any part of the video and watch the complete video. So what is that topic? It is mode. What is mode? Mode is the often repeated value in the given data. So we have discussed how to find the mean, median, mode of the ungrouped data in the very first video of the chapter statistics. You can go and watch those videos as well. In this video, we will be covering how to find the mode when the data given to you is a group data. So let me write the formula first to find the mode of the group data. L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So let me explain you each and every term that are used here. Before that, let me just tell you how to find the model class. Model class is the class where it is having the highest frequency. So you can observe this is the frequency row to you, and the highest frequency in this one is 61. So what is the model class for you? The model class is 60 to 80, right? So highest frequency is 61. Therefore, model class for you for this particular problem is 60 to 80. After finding the model class, we will just come up with these terms that are used here. What is L? L is the lower limit of the model class. Okay, then what is the lower limit of this model class? We have the model class this one, so this is the lower limit, this is the higher limit. So let me write here 60 because it is the lower limit. Then we will come to F1. What is F1? F1 is the frequency of the model class. What is the frequency of the model class here? It is 61. Then what is F0? F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class. Frequency of the class preceding the model class. Model class. So which is the frequency which is preceding the model class? Model class frequency is 61. So before that, preceding means before. So what is the frequency of this class? It is 52. So let me write here 52. Then we have F2. F2 is what? It is the frequency of the class which is succeeding the model class. So it is frequency of class succeeding the model class. Let me just continue here. Model class which is equals to, this is the model class for you. So the class which is succeeding the model class is this one. What is the frequency of this? It is 38. Right. Then we have H. H is what? It is the class size. How do we find H? By subtracting higher limit to the lower limit. You can take any of these class intervals and you can just apply that rule. So if I am taking the first class interval, then it is 20 minus 0, which is equals to 20. Right. Then let me just substitute everything in this formula. Mode is equals to, what is the value of L we have got? L is 60 plus Then we have here f1. F1 we have got here 61. So let me write that 61 here. Then minus f naught. What is the value of f naught here? We have f naught 52. Right. Then we will just divide this. 2f1. 2f1 is nothing but 2 into 61 minus f naught again 52 minus, then we have f2, right? So what is the value of f2 here? We have the f2 38. Then everything will be in bracket into h. What is h to you for this problem? It is 20, right? Then what we will do, we'll just simplify this. We'll keep 60 as it is plus, then let us just subtract 61 minus 52, which is equals to 9, divided by 2 into 61. 2 into 61 is 122 we have. You can multiply and check. Minus 52 and 38 are having both negative sign. If both the numbers are having negative sign, what will you do? You can just add those two numbers and write the same sign into 20. Then what we will do, we will just take 60 like this only. 9 into 20 is nothing but 180 divided by, then we have 122 minus 90. So how much it is? It is 32. Then we can simplify it here itself, because it is a big number. It will be a little bit difficult for you to divide. So let me just simplify it further. So 16s are 2 16s are 32, 2 9s are 18, and then 0. So what is the number you have now to divide? You have 90 divided by 16, right? So let me just divide it here. 90 divided by 16, right? So how many times it will go? It will go 5 times, and 16 5s are 80 we have. Then 10 is the remainder. Then we will take 1 0 here and we will put 1 decimal. Then 16 6 are, we have 96. Let me write here. Then what is the remainder? 4. Let me write 0 here. And then how many times? It will go 2 times. 16 2s are 32. Then what is the remainder? Again 8 is the remainder. We'll put 1 0 here. Then 16 5s are 80, right? So we have got the remainder 0. Then what we will write here? 60 plus, what is the value you have got when you will divide these two numbers? You are getting 5.625. So add these two numbers, 65.625. So this is how you will find mode for the given data. So we can write at the last, the modal lifetime of the component is 65.625 hours. That's it for now. In the next video, we will be covering how to find the median of the group data. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.